Good morning, 6am, and welcome to Thursday morning. I hope you're ready to have a fun, exciting day of online learning today. Quickly, we'll go over the day sheet, just so we know what's what on there. And after that, we will just go through a few things that we need to remember, just to make sure that we are on top of things for our learning. Okay, first things first, check in with your selfie or a photo. I don't care what the photos of, just something, okay, to show that you've done it. But make sure you hit hand in or upload it or whatever it is you do, or turn it in, because yesterday I had probably 8 people who didn't hit turn it in. They attached something, but never actually turned it in. So it looked like they were absent, and the whole day I was racking my brain thinking, why aren't these people here, and blah, blah, blah. In fact, most of them actually were. Okay, so you need to be hitting turn it in. All right. In that time, you're going to do more of your open-ended maths thing. All right. Come up with as many solutions as you can. And I know that there is literally over 1,000 solutions for each shelf on the library trolley, or whatever you want to call it. I know it's not the most exciting thing in the world, but we need to get stuck in and have a good look, okay? It's about getting as many answers as you can. That's why you've got all week to do these open-ended tasks, so that you can put as much effort and thought into it that you can. Okay, sound waves. We're moving on with sound waves after that. Oh, sorry, no, we've got question time first, so make sure you put your questions up as soon as you look at the day sheet and everything. While you're looking at the day sheet, start typing questions. Make sure that you have any question that you need in there, because I am going to be very strict with question time today. I'm not going to be looking every 10 minutes to see if you guys are there, because I've got a heap of work that I have to get done to be able to teach you tomorrow. Okay, so question time is the only time that I should be online answering your questions, all right? So you need to know if you have to ask anything at that time. That's why you got the time yesterday afternoon to have a look through the resources. And that's why I left a video, which I think only 7 or 8 people actually watched, which is a bit disappointing, because that video told you everything that you need to know for today as well. Okay, so if you miss out on anything, then go back and look at the video from yesterday, because I'm not there to hold your hand. You need to be doing the right thing. That video is there. That is part of your learning. You have to watch it, okay? Yeah, spelling, sound waves. Tomorrow you will take a photo of your pages. I'll give you the answer sheets. You can mark it, take a photo of your pages, and upload it to the Soundwave spelling assignment, okay? I don't want to see it before then. Friday, upload to that assignment. Why I do say that is once you hit turn it in, you can't work on it anymore, okay? So if you haven't finished and you hit turn it in, then that says to me that you're finished and you're not doing any more, because there's no possible way that you can upload again if you've turned it in, okay? English, the files are there. You've just got to go through and follow on like yesterday. You need to make sure that you turn it in when you're completely finished. People are turning it in when they're not finished, okay? You put it on the Google Doc. The Google Doc is there for you to edit. That is your own Google Doc, right? You answer the questions where the questions are, or you do whatever Mrs. Miller has put for you to do in there on that document, okay? Unless she says otherwise, unless it says in there, answer these questions on something else, answer on the Google Doc, upload the assignment, okay? Turn it in at the end of the lesson when you're finished, all right? I don't want to see half a job done and hand it in halfway through the lesson. Make sure that you are answering all the questions and then uploading. All right, lunch is your time, do what you want. Afterwards, we've got maths, okay? Maths is angles. The maths sheet is fairly basic today in that it doesn't have a heap of information thrown at you. We're just working off your prior knowledge of angles, I suppose. Go in, read through the Word document, okay? Click on the links for the videos, look what they say, see what the videos tell you about angles and all the rest. And then there's, I believe, 5 worksheets. Do the first 2 of those that come up, and then have a look in Study Ladder. There's some angle stuff to complete in there as well, okay? So only the first 2 sheets. We'll do the others tomorrow, okay? Now, afterwards, after maths, once again, turn it in once you're done, okay? Do the 2 sheets, turn them in. Technology. Mr. Hannah Smith has set up Tinker for you guys to learn a bit of coding. Okay, so you need to click into that and you need to have a good look through. He's given you a big introduction to it and read through everything. Make sure you read the whole thing, okay? There's no point looking at it without reading the whole thing because you won't know what you're meant to do and you'll be sitting there going, how do I log in? What do I do? Blah, blah, blah. I won't be there to answer, okay? All right. Now, after that, we have got fruit break. And after fruit break, we've got our review and question time again. So you need to be looking at what the work for tomorrow is, asking any questions that you have about it, okay? That time there is just for you to read and write any questions that you have got for tomorrow. All right, that's what it's there for. We're giving you extra time just to make sure that we're online to answer any questions then. Yes, you can ask them again tomorrow morning, but you're better off to get it out of the way this afternoon so you're ready to rock and roll in the morning. Okay, so that, as I say, 9:15 to 9:45 and 1:55 to 1:20 are the two times that I'll be online to answer your questions. Okay, so make sure you ask your questions then. 2:20 till the end of the day is PE. We've got our skills drills again. Yes, it's a side gallop. Yes, it's not the most exciting thing in the world, but it's a fundamental movement skill and we've got to assess you on those, okay? And it's a bit hard. If we're seeing you do stuff every day in class and at school, we can kind of assess you based on that sort of stuff. When we're online, we have to do it this way just to make sure that we're seeing you do those skills, okay? Shouldn't take long. Make sure you have a couple of goes. Make sure that you're looking at the rubric, and tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow you need to upload that rubric, okay? Once you've done that, we've got our little skills section. Okay, so we're doing our fully sick matter sports skills ever, which means that I want to see the coolest skill that you can do. As I said yesterday, if it's on a trampoline, it's on a trampoline. If it's a soccer skill, it's soccer, okay? You do whatever your best sports skill is, okay? And have fun, but make sure that you film it and upload it to the Fully Sick Matter Sports Skills Ever assignment, okay? I want to see something amazing from all of you, okay? Now, finally after that, you watch the afternoon video, okay? Make sure you watch a video. Beauty of having it on YouTube is I can see how many people have watched it, okay? That's the reason I put it on there, so I can see whether or not people are watching it. When only 7 or 8 people watch it, that's a big waste of time because it's there to give you information. All right. Now, last few things, uploading everything, okay? Make sure that when you finish, you upload, okay? Not any other time. I know in my maths groups, we don't upload every day because it's a Google slide that runs for 3 weeks, okay? But in this class, everything will need to be uploaded, okay? Everything that you do, spelling on Friday, PE on Friday. If there's a time that you're meant to upload it, upload it. Otherwise, English and stuff like that, upload at the end of the lesson, okay? Questions. When you're asking questions, you guys are doing fairly well, okay? It wasn't so much a problem with you guys. Don't just say, I don't get it, what's this? You need to make sure that you're saying, I'm not sure about the such and such in maths. Is there any chance you could explain how I'm meant to do it? Okay? Make sure they're valid questions. I think that'll do us for now because I'll answer any questions you've got and I will leave you a video this afternoon to yell and scream about all the annoying stuff that you've done today. Okay? Have a good day.